Bhubaneswar Engineering Cluster, the SPV has been named OSME Council for Engineering and Technology, Accurate. Accurate has a vision to provide precision engineering manufacturing facilities to the state MSMEs. It will create an entirely new ecosystem in the field of engineering manufacturing, value addition, precision components and skill development. The governing body of the SPV includes representatives from various prestigious institutions like IIT Bhubaneswar, CTTC Bhubaneswar, Government ITIs of Cuttack and Bhubaneswar, along with representatives from MSME Department, Government of India and Government of Odisha. The main objective of the Common Facilities Centre is to enhance the current production level of the cluster up to 50% within next 3 years, upgrading job-based micro-enterprises to full-fledged enterprises, exploring new markets in engineering-based products, exporting 25% of production within a time-bound framework, providing a platform to the MSMEs to facilitate their interface with potential global partners and buyers, attempting to provide direct employment to 86 persons, indirect employment to around 3,500 persons, and provision for high-level skill training of up to 500 persons annually. The Common Facilities Centre is spread over an area of 40,407 square meter located adjacent to National Highway 55 near Chodwar, Cuttack, which is 15 minutes away from Cuttack, 45 minutes from the state capital Bhubaneswar, 10 minutes away from the nearest railway station and 90 kilometers away from Paradip Port. The CFC will have 3 major components: value addition, product development and skill development. It comprises 3 workspaces. The main shed is about 9,000 square meter with world-class machining, assembling and load-out facilities. The main fabrication bay is about 3,000 square meter. Surface treatment plant is about 6,000 square meter. The CFC includes with 1,000 kVA 24-hour power supply with backup. It also provides general amenities like testing laboratory, common storage facilities, common weighbridge, chemical storage, administrative block, canteen, ETP, staff quarters and so on. There is also a 5,000 square meter open-air fabrication yard for taking up large structural fabrication work. The Common Facilities Centre will have precision machining shop with CNC machines such as floor tie boring and milling machine with horizontal travel up to 6 meters, vertical travel up to 3 meters and cross travel of 1600 millimeter. The 2 number of CNC axis control heads can work in 7 axis both positioning and continuous, which allows to machine in a negative angle up to 30 degrees. This is a very vital machine which is not available in Eastern India. The CNC laser cutting machine has a massive bed size of 8 meter length and 2.5 meter width, which can cut sheets up to 15 millimeter thickness. The Precision Multiplane Multi-Axis Fully Automatic CNC tube forming machine is the most advanced in its category. The CNC air press brake is fully automatic, highly accurate and ensures cost-effective and precision quality and sheet metal handling capacity up to 15 mm thickness. The very heavy-duty plate rolling machine involving the latest technology of bottom roll adjustment with pre-pinching facilities and accommodating up to 3 meter weight plates up to 56 mm thickness in very high tensile steel. Various combination of surface grinder, cylindrical grinding with internal grinding provision, tool and cutter grinder, specialized sharp tools maintenance turret and beam type milling machines provide both production production and maintenance capabilities for the CMC with precision and high productivity, including tooling repair and rehabilitation. The high production CNC lathes to take care of routine and accurate jobs in large quantity, which completes the setup of the CNC machines. The supporting equipments to complement the CNC shop, such as radial drilling machine, band saw machine, and highly versatile double cylinders hydraulic iron worker, complete the overall facilities. All building process equipment such as MMEW, GTAW, MIG LAN, TIG with spot welding, and pulse TIG equipment have been incorporated in the welding shop. This is also complemented by very high capacity and large column boom type submerged arc welding equipment with full mechanization and automation such as automatic seam tracking machine, computerized trolley-based programmable traveling welding equipment. Finishing of any product output gives rise to first impression of quality and thereby user satisfaction as to the superiority of the job. To enhance the surface finishing and aesthetic appearance, completely mechanized handling-based finishing houses for powder coating, high-density, hot-dip galvanizing facilities with UV printing and laser marking forms part of the equipment. Like NALCO, MCL, NTPC, IOCL, RSP, Jindal Steel and Tata will get maximum advantages for the maintenance and refurbishment. The other facilities will enhance the productivity of state MSMEs to meet the present-day challenges by providing one-stop solution to their needs in the field of metallurgy, mining, oil and natural gas, aerospace, defense component, automotive, marine, and customized high-precision engineering components.
Industrial cluster is a very accurate.
So this was all